In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the site permissions in Microsoft Edge browser so that you can allow to select whether you want to turn on the audio, camera, or other access for a specific website. Here's how you can enable or disable that options. First of all, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings at the bottom. And on the top, we will get a search settings area where we will write site permissions. Here is the option in the privacy, search and services. Here's the section from the settings. Click on that and we click on the site permissions and select all sites, or we click on all permissions at the bottom, so that if you want the specific camera, let's say for all the sites, it shouldn't ask first. Rather, let's say it should select the camera directly. So you can toggle off this ask option and it can be the default camera for all of the sites or the tabs. Similarly, if you want to completely disable some function, let's say that you want to completely disable the location option, you can just toggle that off and block it completely and manage all the permissions for all of the sites like this. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.